This week we're going to work a bit more with Google, and we're going to talk more about URLs. Last week we did several kinds of Google searches. One Google search was keywords. So cats like dogs is a keyword search. And you can see here I have 548 million results. But if I change it to a phrase, it goes down to 30,500. So I've just saved hundreds of millions of page finds by adding a simple phrase. Use a phrase when you know words come together. If you know two words will be together, that is a good time to use a phrase search. Some other tricks we learned last week were something like, let's say, some other things we learned were how to look for certain types of websites. So let's say I want to look for dog intelligence, and let's see what I get. I get 179 million results, and I get it from many, many different kinds of websites. Here's a newspaper. Here is a magazine. This looks like it's something about science, probably another magazine. I want to look at what maybe some study says. So let me look at in URL edu. And now here are some university research, Harvard researcher, Arizona Edu. This is going to be University of Arizona. So doesn't look like a great website. Let me refresh. Here we go, the University of Arizona. So I can assume an article from a university is probably going to be accurate information. But let me go back. Google also lets you search for images. So it's going to be looking for dog and intelligence and in URL edu. So here I see the same link, sites psu.edu, marisolmarist.edu. So here's some universities that have these pictures, and I'm sure they are part of articles. In order to practice searching, you need to know what you're searching for. But Google also helps you with that. So if I go to Google.com advanced search, here Google shows you all of the different kinds of searches it will let you do. So if I do like this and Google search, it shows me, okay, these are all of these words. So all of these words are keywords. But let me change it and go down here. This exact word or phrase. And it says here, put the words in quotes. So I don't have quotes here, but advanced search. And now I can see these quotation marks are here. Let me go back. Any of these words. Notice any equals or. And while cats like dogs is a strange search, maybe I would look for you can choose a language that you want to find answers in. You can choose a region of the world where you want the pages to come from. So if I want to look for corona vaccine, and let me just pick a country, first one, Afghanistan, what am I going to find? So bakhtarnews.af. If you remember the country codes, .af I think is going to be Afghanistan. And let me see. This looks to be a website from Afghanistan. So Google has helped me find it. Let me just go for Corona. And the last update. I want to see if there's anything this week. So let's see. Corona site Otemon ACJP. And here I have 6 days ago. 6 days ago, I have some information about coronavirus from the Otemon website. And you can see here, it's done that check for past week. Last week we talked about in URL, but you can also look in different places of the web page. So in the title, let's see. And here is the title up here. I can see Corona. So yes, Corona is in the title of the web page. I suggest you go through all of these and look at the different ways Google can help you search and the different options. And anytime you click the advanced search, it's going to show you what happens here.